Hi, it's Cinzia from Digital Media Stream here. Today we will share with you a new and free template for a Performa Max campaign. Usually PPC specialists and businesses tend to build the campaign structure directly in Google Ads, but this is not best practice, so our recommendation is to use a template. So this is a free template we provide, we built for you to get the most out of your Performa Max campaign. So with this template, you can build multiple campaigns, multiple ad groups, and the good things about this template is that you can share it with your team members, a copywriter to check typos. You can also share it with your client. If you click on the sheet name PMax template, what we recommend you to do is to just copy and paste this template in a brand new spreadsheet. Don't request edit access. So you just need to select the template and then edit, copy the template and paste it in a new spreadsheet. So as you can see, we have created different ad groups. So this is one PMax campaign, and these are different ad groups. So each ad groups contain short headlines, long headlines, description as well. So when you type in your text, the character length will change here in this column. So if you write more than 30 characters, you will see that the cell will turn red. So you need to go back and make it shorter. Okay, so because the maximum is 30 characters. So you can build as many asset group as you want. We have just 3 as an example, but you can have more. So this is really simple, easy to use and handy. We hope you find it useful for your PMax campaign. There will be an update later this year with an additional headlines. So we'll make sure our template is updated. So as soon as we know that Google is introducing new headlines for this campaign, we will update the template. Thank you for listening, and we hope you find this resource useful.